Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best budget gas grill you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Let's face it, gas grills are less filthy than charcoal grills, and they allow you to start cooking in minutes rather than the hours or days that charcoal or wood-fired grills take. Gas grills may be as simple to operate as a stove, while still providing a smoky flavor through vaporized drippings. There are plenty of options available in sizes ranging from little to huge, all at an affordable price. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Weber Spirit 2 E310 3-burner propane gas grill. Weber has a stellar reputation for grills, and the Spirit grill is no exception. The cart's design is appealing, and the 3 burners provide a total of 30,000 PS1 of power. We felt it deserved to be at the top despite the fact that it costs just over $500, but check for sales. The burners are indeed high performance, as the manufacturer claims. It just took a few minutes for the grill to reach 500 degrees, and it did so evenly. The 2 side tables provide ample storage for condiments and tools, while the open cart provides additional storage space. When the left-hand table is not in use, it can be folded down to save room. 6 tool hooks provide ample storage for grill brushes, spatulas, and tongs, allowing them to be quickly accessible while remaining out of the way. There's plenty of area to grill an entire meal for the family with 529 square inches of grilling space. This barbecue includes porcelain enameled cast iron grill grates that don't need to be seasoned for outstanding grill markings. The built-in thermometer in the lid makes it simple to keep an eye on the internal temperature, and the grease management system makes cleanup a breeze once the meal is finished, allowing you to spend more time resting after dinner. What's the difference between the Spirit 2 E310 and the Spirit 2 E210, exactly? The design of the 2 types is identical, but the E210 only has 2 burners. It also costs $100 less, making it a viable option for small families. On number 2, Weber Q2200 Gas Grill. The Weber Q2200 gas grill, despite being a tabletop model, has the same power as a full-size model. This strong small grill has 280 square inches of cooking space across its cast iron grates, and its single burner produces 12,000 PS1 each hour, which is more than enough for cooking hamburgers, hot dogs, steaks, vegetables, and more. Additionally, thanks to its ignition button, it starts up swiftly and simply. The roomy side tables, which are large enough to handle a plate piled high with food, are one of our testers' favorite features of this grill. We were amazed by how rapidly the grill heats up. It easily reaches 400 degrees in 5 minutes, and how robust it is, making it great for both traveling and cooking dinner in your backyard. If the Q2200 isn't right for you, or your budget, there are a few additional Weber Q series models to consider. The Weber Q2000, for example, is quite similar to the Weber Q2000, with the same cooking area and side tables, but its dome is slightly shorter and it lacks a few amenities, such as the built-in lid thermometer. On number 1, Cuisinart Petit Gourmet Gas Grill with VersaStand. Is your barbecue taking up too much space? The Cuisinart Petit Gourmet Portable Gas Grill, with its VersaStand that allows it to be used freestanding or as a tabletop model, is ideal for you. Although the entire unit is small, 16 by 32 inches, it includes a 145 square inch grilling area and a 5500 BTUs burner that allows you to cook for 4 to 6 people at once. This gas barbecue is powered by liquid propane and weighs only 17 pounds, making it ideal for camping or tailgating. It has a temperature gauge and a twist-start electrical ignition, but it's the telescoping stand that sets up and disassembles in seconds that makes this grill stand out. This gas grill's compact size and versatility are unbeatable, and reviews claim it's robust, simple to operate, and just right for a small gathering. So guys, this was the video about the best budget gas grill. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.